Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have an unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we do have an unboxing. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Oh my god. So yes, in this box here, I have a handbag. I'm so excited about this unboxing, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I have already opened it up and checked it out and everything. I haven't worn it anywhere yet because I got it yesterday. So I just took it out of the box, looked at it and everything's good. So then I put it back and now I'm here to show you. One thing that I want to say before we actually get into the unboxing, I know there has been an uptick of unboxings on this channel as of late. That's not for any particular reason, like it's not on purpose. I actually did not think that I was going to be able to get this handbag at all. I thought that it was only going to be available for like VIP members, but I went to the website. I'll tell you who it's from in a minute, but I went to the website, just happened to refresh the page to see if it was available, and they had one left in stock. So I bought it because I was so excited. If I would have passed up on it and not bought it, I really think I would have regretted it. So I went ahead and bit the bullet. We are going to be taking a break on buying handbags for a little bit. I think it's time, but let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Can you see already? So it is from Celine, and this will be my first ever Celine handbag. I do not have any other Celine bags. I do have a Celine belt and I have a Celine hat. This is a very new release, so even when I looked up like reviews and stuff online, I could not find anything. I found a couple of shorts from people looking at the bag in the store, but I could not find really any reviews. I think it came out at the beginning of July or June, late June, beginning of July, something like that. But I did actually go to my Celine store and I asked the SA there when this bag was coming out, and this was like back in May. And he said, oh, it's not gonna come out until late July, early August. And I was like, oh, okay. And he said, well, if you want that bag, then you should probably get on a wait list because it's gonna be really popular and I don't think it's gonna stay in stock. Here is the receipt and all of that good stuff here. And then at the time, I didn't get on a wait list because I would have had to put a card down, and I wasn't really able to put a card down at the time and like pay for it if it came in. So I didn't want to like risk something happening and then my card get charged a lot of money. So it did eventually release, and it was sold out on the website, sold out in store. I couldn't, you know, find it anywhere. I kind of just put it out of my head and I was just like, I'm not gonna be able to get it, it's not happening. But then literally last Wednesday, I checked the Celine website just to see, and they had one available. So here we go. Here is the beautiful dust bag. Let me know in the comments what you think it could be. Let me see, do you think it's an Ava bag? Do you think it's a Triumph bag? Do you think it's like a box bag, something like that? Let me know in the comments. Oh my god, this is her. Guys, are we seeing this? Oh my god. Okay, so this is the Celine Ava Triumph. So it's the Ava bag. If you know, the Ava bag is one of Celine's most popular styles. They have this one and the Triumph bag, but the Ava bag I feel like is even more popular than like the Triumph shoulder bags. But they combined the two and they made an Ava shape, like an Ava style bag, but with the Triumph logo. I'm so happy about this. Like, I know they have other Ava bags with the Triumph logo and like the canvas and stuff, but this one is leather. This is full calfskin, and it's in this gorgeous, stunning tan. And the gold hardware is so shiny, oh my god. But here's what she looks like. Here's the back. And then this is solely a shoulder bag. As you can see, there is no crossbody strap or anything like that. You can adjust the strap drop right here. I have it currently set on the longest setting, so that's what it looks like on. But like I said, the Ava bag is one of Celine's most iconic styles. I feel like they come out with like a different version of the Ava bag every few seasons or so, maybe even every season, but this one is their newest one. I know some people do not like the big Triumph logo. I heard a couple people say that they wish it would have been like a small logo or something, but I love the big logo. Like the rest of the bag is very simple. It's very simple, very classic shape, but I love the chunky, big Celine Triumph logo right there. Also at the top of the strap, it says Celine right there. It says Paris, like Celine Paris on, you're not gonna be able to see that, but it does say Celine Paris on the little D rings. And then it says Celine on the zipper pull thingy. If you can see that, probably not. And then of course it says Celine Paris on the actual Triumph logo. And let me show you what she looks like on the inside. I do understand that this might be a little annoying to some people. It's not gonna be annoying to me, but it does have like the little, what do you call this, button snap closure like this, and then it also has a zipper closure. So it does have like double security. So if you are somewhere and you're worried about like pickpockets and stuff, that is double security, but I do understand some people might find that like annoying or like too difficult to get in and out of, but I think it's fine. But here is what it looks like on the inside. Take the stuffing out. On the inside, it is lined. I don't know what it is lined with. I can look it up, but it's like a microfiber maybe. Calfskin lining, I don't know. But it does have one pocket at the back right there. And on the inside, it looks like this is just like the authenticity situation. It says Celine Paris. Yeah, the Ava Triumph. This one is made in Italy, which I'm fine with. And yeah, basically just stating that it is a real bag. Okay, so let me go over the like dimensions and everything on the Celine website, and then we will talk about what fits in this bag. So this bag is 10 inches in width. So it's 10 inches wide, and then it's 7 inches high, and then it's 4 inches in depth. It is calfskin, and then on the inside, it's suede calfskin. And then it has gold hardware, shoulder and hand carry, of course, zipped closure. It has adjustable strap with a minimum drop of 8 inches and a max drop of 9 inches. So you don't really have too much versatility when it comes to this bag for the strap drop situation. If you want it to be really short, you can make it on the shortest setting. You can put it here. I have it on the longest setting right now, and it works just fine. I have it on backwards. Works just fine for me. But yeah, now let's get into what fits in this bag. Now, it does fit my phone, but I will say I never put my phone in my bag. Now, the phone does not fit in the little pocket back here, sadly, but that's okay. You can fit something else in there. But phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max, it does fit in, no issues. No problem. And then my mini pochette accessoire can fit in here as well. And in here I have hand sanitizer. I got this Blackpink Touchland one. Look at that, how cool. So hand sanitizer fits in here. I have a little compact mirror that's new. I fit that in there. I've put in, of course, my gum. I always put gum in my bag just in case. I have my headache medication, my ibuprofen in there, and then I have 2 lip products. And then depending on the time of the month, I'll like switch it out for like a tampon or something. But my mini pochette accessoire can fit in here just like that. And then I have my card holder. This is not gonna be like your most spacious bag. So if again, I don't ever put my phone in my bag. So let me just go ahead and take that out because it will take up a lot of space, having my phone and the mini pochette. And here I have my YSL card holder. Card holder goes in, no problem. And then I can fit in like my smaller items. So I have my AirPods, those can just go in on the side. I have my Dior hand cream that can just go in. And then I do have like some smaller little bits and bobs. I have a lipstick, a YSL lipstick. I have a travel fragrance. It's a Marc Jacobs Perfect travel fragrance, and then I have a pin of Coast. So all of that fits in no problem, and then you can zip it up and close it, and there you go. So she does fit a lot. I think if I didn't have the mini pochette accessoire in there, then maybe she could fit more, I don't know, but I do think that the mini pochette does make everything more organized. And she can fit sunglasses, like if you wanted to try to like maneuver stuff around and change things out. She will fit sunglasses as well. She also will fit a sunglasses case. I did try this out yesterday. Not like a massive one, like a Dior sunglasses case or like a Saint Laurent sunglasses case, but she will fit a smaller sunglasses case and of course like a microfiber little pouch or something like that for sure. Just look at this leather. Are you kidding? It's like so delicious. I do not have a bag this color in my collection and I am literally like foaming at the mouth. I love this bag so much. But yeah, you guys, that has been my Celine Ava Triumph unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag, if you like it, if it's not your vibe. Let me know if you would buy this bag or if you wouldn't buy it, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!